guys, my name is Bree and I'm your choreographer for this year's Knights of North Castle music videos. Right now we're about to learn the dance for the theme song, so just go ahead and follow me and mirror me, alright? So that means if I raise my right hand, you raise your left hand. If I raise my left foot, you raise your right foot, alright? So let's go ahead and jump right into this. We're just going to start with a simple walk in place. You're going to take your right foot, left arm, and step 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. Protected by, hit it on the by, the King of Kings, 2, 3, 4. And Jesus goes, and we will follow, because we've been given, take your left hand, right hand, all we need, 2, 3, 4. Then for our chorus, we're going to say, we are, so that's your left, point with your thumb, left, right, Knights of North Castle, and then again, we are, ready for battle. So you're going to take your left hand and take out your sword, and your right arm you're going to take out your shield and pose, all right? Ready for battle. Wherever we go, swipe with your left hand, your sword hand is going to go across. We know that we won't ever be shaken. We wear armor that saves us, because we are the Knights of North Castle. Then we're going to go into our bridge, so we're going to take our sword of the Spirit, our shield of faith, helmet of salvation, and the breastplate. So that's your left, right, belts of truth, shoes, to go spread the good news, all right? We're going to run in place. And then we're going to do that same thing again. Sword, shield, helmet, breastplate, belt, shoes, and walk, walk, walk. This time we're going to jump out and swing our left arm around twice, okay? 1, 2. Then we're going to go straight back into the chorus. And that's the whole dance. So let's go ahead and jump right into it with music.
We're on a noble journey, protected by the King of Kings. Jesus calls and we will follow, 'cause we've been given all we need. We are Knights of North Castle. We are ready for battle. Wherever we go, we know that we won't never be shaken. We wear armor that saves us. Oh, we are the Knights of North Castle. We got the sword of the Spirit, the shield of faith, the helmet of salvation, and the breastplate of justice, and the belt of truth, the shoes of peace to go spread the good news. The sword of the